Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know the Discord server permissions and roles tutorial. So here's how you could do it. So first of all, you want to open up your browser and go to discord.com and log into your account. As logged in, you will then be directed to the home page, which will look something like this. First thing what you have to do is you want to select the server for which you want to set or for which you actually want to go ahead and make sure to serve Discord permissions and role. So I'm gonna go with this. When you go ahead and click on the server, then you want to click on user settings at the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. Then you'll be able to see this sort of field where you need to scroll down a bit and locate roles. So basically when you come to this section, what you need to do is here you just want to go to the server first of all, and after which you want to go ahead and click on the upper right hand side corner. You could see there is the server name. You want to click that out, scroll down, go to server settings. When you are taken to server settings, here you simply want to scroll down to the section of people. Underneath you could see roles, right? So you could see that these are some of the roles that I've created. Now if you want the roles to be the default one, you just have to simply hold on to this icon you could see in the bottom left hand side corner and then drag it to the place or right at the top in order to set it as default. This is one way of doing it. So next, if you want to change the color of the roles, you could go ahead and give a go to default permissions. Then you could go ahead and select or just explore all of these options. Once you've actually done it, so you'll be able to make changes with your roles. Now go to permissions, and here you could go and explore all of these features. You could also go to link and then manage members, all that. And this is the simplest way you could go ahead and give a Discord server permissions and roles. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.